In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage your domains inside Hostinger. Managing your domain is essential for building, transferring, or maintaining your online presence. So let's walk through the process smoothly and clearly. First, begin by logging into your hPanel. Whether you're familiar with the platform or using it for the first time, make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you haven't logged in for a while, you may need to reset your password before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all your website tools are available. After entering hPanel, focus on locating the domains section. This is the area where you'll manage everything related to your domain names. Select the domains option and you'll be taken to a page displaying all domains connected to your account, along with their details and status. Next, you'll decide whether you want to add a new domain or manage an existing one. If you're registering a brand new domain or transferring one from another provider, choose the Add New Domain option. This will open a page where you can either search for an available domain to register or begin the transfer process. If you're registering a new domain, simply type in the name you want and Hostinger will show you the available extensions. Choose a name that is unique, easy to remember, and relevant to your brand or website. If you're transferring a domain, make sure it is unlogged at your current registrar and that you have access to the authorization code. You may also need to confirm the transfer through a verification email. Once you've either added or prepared your domain, Hostinger will guide you through any remaining steps to complete registration or transfer. After that, your domain will appear in your domain list where you can manage DNS settings, set up hosting, and configure emails. And that's it. You now know how to add or manage domains within Hostinger using hPanel. With proper domain management, your website will run smoothly and professionally. If you need more help, feel free to explore our other tutorials. Happy domain managing!